Hello guys, so in this video we'll be talking about everything you need to know about the curve wars. Among the things we'll learn is what is it, how did it start, why did it start after all, and who are the participants and major players today. So before we get started, you may want to know what exactly is curve. So Curve Finance is a decentralized exchange, much like Uniswap or Sushiswap, with CRV being its native governance and utility token. The exchange has grown to be the biggest protocol in DeFi, with a total value logged in excess of 23 billion USD. It actually stands as the backbone for much of what decentralized finance. Compared to Uniswap, Curve provides a stable coin exchange experience with less slippage and extremely low handling fees. Impermanent loss in the Curve liquidity pool is also very small. Because of all these advantages, this brings in a lot of traffic, especially from whales, which also means a lot of rewards for liquidity providers. Stable coins rely on Curve to keep their tokens pegged to the US dollar. If a fund wanted to trade 10 million USDT for USDC, then they will likely use Curve because it provides instant liquidity and very low slippage. So the origins of Curve War, the battle for governance. CRV, which is the native token of Curve, can be used both as governance token and as a yield token. Now the thing is that Curve rewards liquidity providers with a combination of trading fees and CRV governance tokens. By holding as much CRV as possible, a group can stake and obtain the maximum VCRV possible. VE here means voting escrow. The more VCRV the group gets, the maximum the voting rights. Thus, the group can participate in the governance to improve the yield of the liquidity pool invested. This closed loop logic of competing for governance rights and improving its own benefits is just the beginning of the Curve War. In summary, Curve Wars is essentially a protocol-to-protocol battle to control CRV emissions. And of course, CRV is the governance token of Curve. As protocols are trying to grab liquidity for their projects, they either have to buy up CRV to vote or bribe their users to vote for them. This can only lead to one thing in the future: explosion of price. Currently, you can lock your CRV for up to 4 years to receive boosts to your farms. Furthermore, governance is extremely impactful as you can vote for which liquidity pools you get additional incentives in the form of CRV. Hope you got value in this video. Support this channel by smashing the subscribe button right away. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Also, check out the description box because very important links have been dropped there to further help you to understand this particular subject matter. Trade responsibly always. Peace out.